Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to do some planting because the weather is nice and it's just at least 15 degrees right now. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and actually I have here my parrot. He's going to be my companion for today, and hopefully he doesn't get bored with the planting. I think he's going to enjoy it. And there he is. Okay, and his name is Nonoy. Nonoy, say hi. There you go. And yeah, these are pretty flowers. I'm going to put this in a big pot, or I may have to put this at least in 3 big pots, and let's see how it goes. So it's so pretty, perfect for summer. But these are annual plants that I bought because the annual plants, they usually have really nice flowers as well. And sometimes I prefer tropical because it can, once you plant it, it just keeps coming back every year. And I have roses in my garden as well. I will show it to you later on. Look how pretty this is. It's just starting to bloom. And yeah, so this is a big tray, so we are going to subdivide this, and of course we have some other plants here. There you go. I love this yellow flower. As you can see also, most of my pothos have yellow flowers in there because that's my favorite color when it comes to flowers. And this is vine. There you go. I have 2 different kinds here. So it reminds me of the sweet potato back home. The color is just so pretty. And we also have the beans that I'm going to put in the garden. I still have to clean the garden in there, so that, there you go, it's yellow beans. And we have here the flower. It's called gazania or gazania, and we can never go without pepper during summer. So let's see what kind of pepper we have here. Sweet heat pepper, that's perfect. And we also have the lettuce. There you go. And he's just trying to look at us. See, hi Nonoy, say hi. There, he is a busy bee. And we also have another beans here. It's called Beans Blue Lake. So once I started harvesting this, I'll let you know which one is better, or which I think is better flavor. So that's one side. And then we still have some plants here. This is Gazania, the same thing. It's just different color. And we have another kind of pepper. Oh, I love jalapeno pepper. So there you go. Then let's go to the other side. I have some pots here that I'm going to use as well. If there's some that's still not fitting in the big pot, is one of the big pots that I'm going to clean, remove the leaves there first. And let's see here, we have the okra and another okra, cherry tomato. And also this one, it's another type of lettuce. There are different kinds of lettuce that I want to put in the garden. So we have the gourmet romaine lettuce. So this is the one. And it's another kind of pepper. Let's see if I can find the name. I have 3 different kinds of pepper, and then at least 12 California Wonder bell pepper. Oh, actually this is a bell pepper. I love bell peppers for my salad. Okay, another pepper here. There you go. And this is broccoli. So there, that's broccoli. Okay, so there's another one here. Another yeah, this is just lettuce, another type. Don't have the tag right now. I bought a lot of pepper because I'm seeing another pepper here. Okay, bell pepper. And then this one, let's see, cucumber. Yeah, cucumber is good for our salad. So we have the lettuce, the tomato, the cucumber, and of course we can the bell pepper. We can add more stuff in there. So next week I'm going to the store again or to the garden center and see if we can find pechay or bok choy, because I had it before in my garden and it turns out so well. So I also have my coffee over there, and yeah, and so once I'm done planting with this, I think I'm going to put this plant, the snake plant I have inside, because you know it's not really tolerant on the heat that we have right now. Look how it is right now, it's burnt. And yeah, and we also have the other type here. This is the Moon Valley. I believe this is so pretty. Let's remove this garbage right in there. Okay, look how pretty that is. I only had 1 or 2 leaves before, but now it's thriving. So wow, that's really nice. So yeah, I'll show you when the plants are done, and those are in the pot. So this is now the plants that I replanted today. There you go. It's so pretty. So we're gonna wait at least a week or 2 weeks, then we'll do another video, so just to see how much it has grown. Look how pretty the flowers are. And I also replanted the snake plants because it's getting bulky in one container. So there's another plant here that I'm going to wait until it blooms, because there's still some here that hasn't bloomed yet. These are the veggies that I planted earlier this morning, and we have here different kinds of lettuce, because it's good to have fresh veggies during summer. And there you go. Plus I also planted the okra, and of course lots of peppers, different kinds. And at the very end we have the beans, like we have one here and then on the other side as well. So I'm not done with the garden. I still have to put some soil in here and also veggies. It was too hot, so I decided to just do it later on. There you go. It's really nice. And we still have spring onion here. I have been harvesting this since last month, so that's a good thing. And then we have the tomatoes. I also planted tomatoes there, because once the spring onions are done, then it can grow in there. Yeah, so this is the planting I did today, and I will continue tomorrow. There. If you like my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next video. As always, this is Arlene Mendez. God bless us all.